Okay. So good morning, one and all, and welcome to the virtual class. Myself, Sweeta teacher, and today we will see a new topic in a grammar, and that is the degree of comparison. Okay. Now, degree of comparison is totally based on the adjective of quality. Okay, it is the adjective of quality. When you find the adjective of person, place, animal, things, and you start comparing with the others, that is called the degree of comparison. Okay, now there is a change its form when it is used to compare one noun or things with another. There is a change its form. Okay, now there are the 3 degrees of comparison. There are the 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, third is a superlative degree. Okay, positive, comparative, superlative. Now let us see one by one what is the positive degree. Positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Without making any comparison. Because if you're talking about the positive degree, there we are not doing a comparison with the others. It's just a simple form. If the house, for example, she has a big house, tall girl, okay, large scale, big hand, that is called a positive comparison. Okay, a simple form of positive degree, that is tall, fat, big, that kind of words comes under the positive degree. Okay, now what is the comparative degree? Comparative degree, it is used to compare two. It is used to compare to object, to person, or to place. That is called a comparative degree. Okay, in a positive degree, there you can find only a single person or a single object. But in a comparative degree, you are comparing between two person, two place, or the two object. For example, her house is bigger than my house. Her house is bigger than my house because here is the comparison of two buildings. Third, superlative degree. What is the superlative degree? That refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Greatest degree of adjective. That means a huge. All right, that means a huge. It is used to compare more than two object, person, or place. More than two object, person, or place. Here we have example. It is used to compare more than two objects. For example, his house is the biggest of all. It is biggest of all. That that means this house is just the biggest, and no one other's house is big as compared to this house. Understood? Biggest, that means that this comes as last. उससे बड़ा और कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. So that time we are using the biggest word. All right, we are adding EST, biggest. You can see a student, 3 houses are there. Okay, this is called big. This already big. But when it is comes new house, only 2 houses is there. So we are saying it is a bigger. This is the bigger. Then after we realize there is one more house and it is such a biggest. ये इन दोनों से भी बड़ा है. So we give them title biggest. We give them title biggest. I hope you are understand positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Here, big is a positive degree, bigger is a comparative degree, and biggest is a superlative degree. That means इससे बड़ा और कुछ नहीं. That is the last. That is the huge, large. Okay. Now, just a second. Come to the next. Now here we have some sentences where they already underline the adjective. Okay, so many times I told you students, and again I want to repeat, degree of comparison, that means you identify the adjective, that is the form of adjective, और आप adjective को ही compare करते हो, that is called a degree of comparison. So here we have some sentences. Mango is the sweetest fruit. Now sweetest is the adjective. I like hot tea. So hot is the adjective. Okay, now here what they are doing, they are classifying that which degree, that means which adjective, it comes under the which degree. Okay, now the sweetest. Sweetest is comes under the superlative degree because here est added, and est added, that means it show it's a sweetest, too much sweetest. Now cleverer, here will come a cleverer. This will comes under the superlative degree. Odd, it comes under positive degree. Old is comes under the positive degree. Smaller, it comes under the comparative degree. Brighter, it comes under the comparative degree. Now, students, here you will thinking that why in a comparative degree mostly you can find that er is added. In a comparative degree they are adding er, and in a superlative degree they are adding est. They are adding est, that is large, larger, largest. Okay, large, larger, largest. Er mostly you can find in a comparative. Est mostly you can find superlative. Okay, mostly you can find in a superlative. So remember this thing, students. Now here we have the example of positive degree old. अब हमारे पास old positive degree है old. So please tell me what will be the comparative of old. Old का comparative क्या होगा? What will be the uh, comparative of old? Okay, let me unmute one child over here. Kanish, Kanishka, I'll unmute to you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Please tell me what will be the comparative of old. Okay, so student here, old, older, oldest. Okay, now if I'm talking about clever, okay, clever is comparative. Why we have written clever in the comparative? Because here er is added. You can see here er. Okay, that is the clever. If I'm cut this er and written over there est, so it will become a cleverest. If I write the cleverest, so this word becomes into a superlative degree. Okay, तो clever का positive क्या होगा? Clever, और superlative क्या होगा? Cleverest. Okay, wait. Students, there are the different types of words you can find. Different types of words you can find. Okay, when you are start comparing positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, okay, there are the different types of words. Like if you find ER, okay, so EST, large, larger, largest, it is completed. Next, if you find in a word by, so it you have to return KIER, luckier, luckiest, luckier, luckiest. Okay, when the positive and in constant consonant plus y, if the consonant later and it is with y, so drop the y. You have to cut the y, you have to add IER in a comparative and IEST in a superlative. Okay, this is also one of the form you have to remember. If you find consonant plus y, you have to cut the y when you convert it into a comparative. So there you have to write luckier and luckiest. Okay. Now let us see one more example. All right. Now here you can see, student, if one syllable, vowels plus consonant words are there. Vowels, one consonant words are there. So we double the ending consonant word like red, redder, reddest. Because here consonant plus vowel words are there. Vowel plus consonant word is there. So you have to put there redder, reddest. Now the next. Here we have some more example, students, of positive, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here you can say black, blacker, blackest, bold, bolder, boldest, brave, braver, bravest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, costly, costlier. Here you can see, student, costly में y है. See, there is the y. So when you convert it into comparative degree, you have to cut the y and you have to add IER in a comparative. So it will become costly, costlier. Now, if you have to convert it this, if you want to convert it this in a superlative degree, so you have to add IEST. IEST. That is the costlier. Okay. Now, here the next is that hard, harder, hardest, heavy, heavier. Again, the same thing. Y it is there. So they cut the Y and put over there IER, comparative degree. So what will in a superlative degree? Superlative degree में क्या आ जाएगा? EST. IEST. IER in a comparative, IEST in a superlative. These are the example of positive comparative degree. Remember one thing, students. पॉजिटिव डिग्री में आपको कोई एडअप लाइट्स वर्ड्स नहीं मिलेंगे. नो एंडिंग, no letters are adding. They are just a simple like black, bold. Okay, आपको कोई extra letters देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे positive degree. If you start comparing with the comparative degree, mostly you can find ER in a comparative degree. Okay, ER in a comparative degree, and in a superlative degree, you are find in a superlative degree you are find EST. Okay, mostly you can find these words, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, dear students. Now let me see the next option. The next option is if you find positive degree and with E. जैसे कि ये हमारे हैं examples. If you find it is and with E. Simple. It is and with E. Nice. Late. You can see the and with E. ये सारे जो words है ये E में and हो रहे. So here you have to no need to write the extra ER. जैसे इसमें हम लोग add करते हैं ना quick ER. We are adding ER. So no need to write add ER. That is simple. Then add ER. No need. Already E is there. So you have to be write simple R. Okay. Simpler. Nicer. Later. Only just add R. Remember this thing, students. Okay. That is called the regular adjective. That is called the regular adjective. Simple, nice, later. So when you convert it into a comparative, no need to add ER because E it is already given there. Only just you have to add R. Simpler, nicer, simpler, nicer, later. Okay. And simplest, nicest, latest. Okay. So this is one of the example. Now let us see the next example. There are such kinds of word students where you no need to add ER. जहाँ पर आपको ER या EST लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. For example, beautiful. If you start comparing the beautiful, so if you start comparing the beautiful, so that is the more beautiful. Okay, and superlative, most beautiful. There are such kinds of word where you no need to add ER. Okay, हर word में आप ER या EST नहीं लगा सकते. No need to add ER or EST because that is the meaningless word. If I add ER in a beautiful, so beautifuler, that that is not such kind of meaningful words. Okay, that is a meaningless word. Understood? If you are have these kinds of words and you are comparing with the comparative degree, that So that time you have to use more. You have to use more. That is called a more beautiful. Okay. More intelligent, more important, more fabulous, more gorgeous. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में मोर यूज करोगे क्योंकि देर आर सच काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ड दैट यू कैन नॉट बी एड ई आर. ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स है जिसमें आप ई आर नहीं यूज कर सकते. अंडरस्टूड. कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म, once again, comparative form of many adjective of two syllables and all adjective of more than two syllables are formed using more. Here you have to use more before the positive form. Or superlative degree, in a superlative degree, you have to use most. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, remember this thing. Comparative degrees of form many adjectives. अब बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव्स है. ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, तो इसमें आप ई आर ऐड नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू ऐड मोर फॉर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री दैट it is called out more beautiful. And in a superlative, you have to add most. That is the most beautiful. More difficult, most difficult. More important, most important. Okay. So this also one of the form of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now let us see the next. Here we have some example. Now, this is the irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives. These are the irregular adjectives. Do not follow any set rules. They do not have set rules or patterns to form their comparative and superlative degree. Sometimes the whole new word is used. You have to use whole new word. Now still we are have the example जहाँ पर हमने ER ऐड किया है, EST ऐड किया है. If you find a heavy word, EAVY, heavy, तो Y को कट करके we have to use ER or we have to use IER or IEST. Okay, but there are some irregular adjective words where you have to use whole new word, where you have to use whole new word. जहाँ पर ER या EST add नहीं करना है, you have to use a whole new words. Such adjectives are known as the irregular adjectives. For examples, we have there good, better, best, far, further, furthest. Next, little, less, least, bad, worse, worst, much, many, more, and most. Okay, these are some kinds of words, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, where the whole new word you have to use. And this kind of degree of comparison, it is called out the irregular adjective. जहां पर आपको ER, EST add नहीं करना है, we have to use directly new words. जैसे कि good है, good में हमने ER add किया है, we are at EAD or EST. No, we directly take a new word, whole new word. For comparative, we are using better. For superlative, we are using best. Okay. So such kinds of words where we have to use whole new word. Now, students, here whole new words. Okay. Now, this is all about the positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay. In that, we have seen a different forms. There are the different types of words are there. So large, larger, largest. There are some. This is a simple way of degree of comparison where you have to add only ER and EST, right? Where you have add only ER and EST. All right. But there are such kinds of words where you can find by. Okay, so cut the Y and you have to add IER and IEST. IER for comparative, IEST for superlative. All right. And there are such kinds of words where you can find already and with E. If you find already and with it, no need to write the extra ER or extra EST. Directly, you have to add only just a R and okay, simple, simpler, simplest. All right. Now, and then we have seen the different words. Okay. Just like beautiful, difficult, important. In this word also, no need to add ER or IER or EST or IEST. No need to add. But what we have to do here, we have to add more. Here we have to add more for the comparative and most for the superlative. Okay. More for comparative and most for superlative. All right. I hope this is clear to you. And all these are the regular adjective. All these are the regular adjective. Okay. But there are some irregular adjective also where you no need to add ER or EST. Okay. No need to add IER or IEST. Here directly you have to choose a new set of words. Okay. For example, we have good, better, best, bad, worst, much, many, so more and most. This kind of words you have to be used. Okay. So this is all about the today's lecture.